Hi everyone, welcome to Unacademy NEET English students. I'm your biology educator Ambika Sharma and I am here to inform you that officially your class 12th date sheet for the CBSE board exams, it is out, and from 15th of February your exams are going to start. So here you guys can see this is the official date sheet. So look at it students, I have written everything here. So on 16th of February there will be the exam of biotechnology, 22nd February English, 27th February chemistry, 4th of March there will be physics, 9th of March mathematics, 19th March biology, and 2nd April information technology. So here you guys can see the date sheet. So basically from the February month your exams are going to start. Now it's the high time to start your preparation properly. I know many students, they are confused that now what should we do? Should we go for the board exams? Should we focus on board exams? Should we focus on NEET examination? How to manage all that thing? So here I have a solution for you students. So basically, right, from let's say from 13th December to January, it is the time period in which still you can revise your class 11th syllabus a bit. I'm not saying that you people can revise your entire syllabus, but yes, still you guys can focus on some topics, you know, which are related to your class 12th also. Like if I have to give you the example, so cell cycle and cell division from biology, biomolecules from biology, right? So these two chapters, right, they are related to your class 12 syllabus as well. So in this way, by using your short notes, okay, by using short notes you can revise your class 11 syllabus. But as of now mainly you should start focusing on your class 12 syllabus. Now if you are worried that if we will start the class 12 syllabus in detail, what about our class 11 syllabus, right? So many students, they are confused about it. They don't know how to manage the time, how to manage the boards, how to manage the class 12th, how to manage the board and the NEET examination together. So it's very simple, trust me students. As of now, if you will keep thinking about it, right, that I have the board examination, I have the NEET examination, then definitely you are going to make the mistake. As of now, whatever you are doing, see, if as per your strategy, because in general we know that our exams are going to start from February. So if in your strategy you have included class 11 syllabus, so according to me you should revise your class 11 syllabus till, you know, mid of the January. Okay, so you still have 1 month for your class 11th revision. After that, if you will start your class 12 syllabus in detail, still do not prepare your class 12 syllabus like you are preparing for the board examinations. No, your only focus should be that I have to understand the syllabus, I need to practice the PYQ as well, and I need to practice how to write the paper as well. In that way, if you will finish your class 12 syllabus, so look at it students, your majorly your paper, your final board exam is 19th of March, right, mainly. Okay, so even in between you can see you have many holidays, you have sufficient holidays. Okay, so if from middle of the January if you start till your February, you can revise your entire class 12 syllabus, and you should revise it like you are preparing for the NEET examination, right? That you have to master each and every concept, you have to practice you should practice the PYQs, and moreover you should start making the notes, right? In this way you can even practice, right? You can even practice that writing part. Okay, and then see you have the holidays in which again you can revise the syllabus. Now mentally you'll be free, right? In the month of March you'll be totally free. You still have April, right? So in that April month again you can revise your class 11 syllabus. But the only problem here is that students, you do not have the time to waste. You have 1 month, right, from 15th of December to 15th of January in which you can revise class 11th. Then you have to start your class 12th preparation till your March, right, till your March 31st, and then in the month of April again you have to revise your entire class 11th plus class 12th revision. Okay, so not even a single day. You do not have the single day to waste as of now. It's still possible to manage. You need to make a proper strategy, and I want you people to share that strategy with me, right? You can post it on Telegram, on my Telegram, right, bache? Plus you can mention it in the comments. I will read that comments and I am going to answer that comments as well. So if there is any confusion in time management, Pankhudi ma'am has already made a video. You people can check that too, right? Other than that, students, with the time, even I will make videos so that you can prepare for your board examination along with the NEET examination. And if you are not from the CBSE board, right, if you are from any other state board, you can mention that in comments too, right? And you can share that date sheet with me. Accordingly, we will plan your YT classes also. Okay, so don't worry, keep calm, just prepare well, and moreover, just have a look of this bache, right? I hope you know that we are coming to, yes, here you people can see, we are coming to Chennai, right? And we are coming on 21st of December. So if you are, you know, staying nearby, there is a Google form in the description box. You can fill your details. You can come to that place. Okay, we are going to meet you in person. We will guide you that how to prepare for boards, how to prepare for the NEET examination, and whatever doubts, whatever things bother you, we will answer all that questions. And see here, unlock 20 is there, bache. It is valid till 16th of December. So this is the coupon code that you have to use. It's Ambika 10, and you can get any course on Unacademy platform at a very decent price. Here you guys can see, if you want to join our Avengers 3.0 as well, right? I'm teaching in this batch. We are going to launch more batches as well, right? So you are going to get that batch at a very, very, very less price. And here you can see, even for NEET UG 2024, for 2025, even for 2026, at this time, lightning deals are there. So this is the coupon code that you all have to use, right, students? Just okay, right, students? So prepare well. Do let me know in the comment section whatever is baffling your mind as of now. We are going to answer all the questions. And moreover, students, here you guys can see, just a minute, see, this is our Avengers 3.0. So you are going to get this batch at a price of 3367. So currently we are discussing the genetics there in biology, and after that revision classes will be there. So you can manage your boards also with that particular batch. Okay, and you will get the recordings till your NEET examination. So even after finishing your board exams, you can use that recorded session for your class 11th revision also. So in detail you will get everything. Okay, so you can see this batch is at a price of 3367, and that's the coupon code that you have to use. So stay tuned, right? I'll share this official date sheet in the Telegram group. So see you all soon with a proper strategy video. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.